So this is the Isiewu. I've already cleaned it. I removed the eyes and the teeth. I don't like to see the eyes and the teeth, so if you prefer, you can leave it there. This is the brain. I just wrapped the brain in here, so I'll be cooking it with the Isiewu. And this is Ugba that I'll be using. And so in here I've got the red onions, the white onions, I've got chili, and I've got calabash nutmeg, ehuru seed, and this is the Utazi leaves that I'll be using. So it's all be cleaned, and I'm going to be using a little bit of crayfish and seasoning cube. So this is Ngur. So Ngur is burnt palm leaves. Instead of potash, I'm going to be using this, but I'll be melting it in water and using the liquid. So I'll add some other ingredients and I'll carry you along. I'll be telling you what I'm adding as I go along. So I'm pouring the goat meat in a pressure pot. I'm using pressure pot to cook the goat head because it will cook it quicker. So once the pressure starts, after 5 minutes, I'll turn it off. So it takes, I've just added onions and salt and then seasoning cube. So I'm adding a little bit of water. So I've just added a calabash nutmeg in here and I'm going to pound it. So I'm adding pepper. So I'm going to add the brain that I cooked earlier. There's a leaf, so I'm going to roll it. Roll it and slice it.